What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's cut to the chase and get right down to it, because I just picked this up. It's Langria. It's a chef's knife, and it's Japanese, which means must be super high quality. Look at that. Kind of reminds me of even Longoria, but Langria. Easy, cozy, homey. Kind of reminds me of me. And this is the Damascus series 8-inch chef knife, and that's really what, I'm not sure what this little tab here, oh, it's a little magnetic box. And that's really why I picked this sucker up, because of that word right there. And the word is Damascus. And, you know, I'm not really sure what qualifies as Damascus steel, but I've always been really intrigued by it because it just really looks interesting, and it's supposedly really high quality and very strong and quite expensive. And so I've always wanted something in Damascus steel. They make lots of things out of Damascus steel. Holy smokes, that is sharp. From everything from pistols to swords to hunting knives. And you can see here, and I'm not sure if this, I don't know, you know, people kind of will debate what really is Damascus steel. And I'm not sure how this rippling occurs here, but it's usually because of different types of metal that are folded and then forged and folded again and pounded out. And so you get kind of some rippling, and usually what I think is some kind of variation in the color. This looks like, I don't know, I mean, I can kind of feel it a little bit here. You can kind of feel the texture change and the little ridges and stuff like that. But I'm not really sure if it's kind of just designed and built to look like it, or if it really is kind of a multi-metal type of knife. If that's 8 inches, man, that is pretty long. Let me just give you a little comparison. This piece of paper, the long end here is 8.5 inches. So, you know, from the neck to the tip is more than 8.5 inches. So anyway, then you've got a handle here, and I don't know, this seems like almost like a polyester, something like that. It's pretty dense. You have a little logo built in here, and then Langria, kind of, I'm assuming maybe a full metal tang all the way, and then this kind of wrapped around it, or wrapped around the metal post of the knife, something like that. But man, it looks really nice. You can see here we have a angled edge right there, and it is very sharp. My quick touch of it was pretty impressive. Now, I could take this up to my kitchen and slice up a bunch of stuff for you, but obviously I don't need to do that. So we're just going to do the old paper test and see how you know, sharp it really is. Not sure how well this will work, but ooh, I'm glad I didn't run my finger along it. So that's pretty impressive. Man, that is cutting right through it like butter. So again, you know, Damascus steel is supposed to be very sharp, kind of indestructible. Looks awesome. I can't tell you exactly what makes it or qualifies for it, but this blade here looks to business and works like a knife should. Wow. So I'm gonna add this to my kitchen cutlery, man, and I am gonna chop up some cucumbers with a vengeance now. If you want to pick this up, I'm pretty impressed with it. It certainly seems like and feels like a super high quality piece, and I'll bet if people just look at this, they'll kind of ask about it. It says Damascus right there, though. Cool. I love it. Check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.